Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepa. I hope you people are doing well. So if you're new here, hi, this is a girl named Deepa Das. I'm a beauty plus lifestyle content creator plus I'm a शायर. तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत शायरी के भी वीडियोस अपलोड करती हूँ. And the video that you're watching right now is the second episode of the new series which we are doing, and it's called the Artless Tales, which means we are here just to take a topic which is very relevant to both of us and we can sit and have a talk over it. So the first topic was Girls on Marriage. If you have not watched it, I'll put up a link in the description box or I'll pop it up here and here. So the second topic on which we are going to talk is self-love and self-care. We all know that these times it has been very hard on a lot of us, or in fact all of us, because coronavirus is spreading like hell and the numbers have changed to a particular few names, that these are the people who are getting affected, and now it has touched to a very personal sphere where it's really scary. So if you have not vaccinated yourself, then just go and get yourself vaccinated as soon as you get a slot. So here I have segregated, or I have jotted down a few points which are very important and very necessary, especially in these times. First of all, in order to spread love, spread positivity, it's very easy to say, say it aloud, spread love you guys, spread positivity. It's me who always speaks, spread positivity, spread peace, but you can only and only spread love if you are filled with love with your own self. That love should come from within. ऐसे नहीं कि हम लोग ऐसे fake वगैरह करके show off कर सकते हैं. It's not something that we can show off. So you cannot pour from an empty glass, right? So we need to love ourselves, and that love needs to come from within. And that is the only way we can spread love in the world. And they say, be the change you want to see in others. So my request to you all is start loving yourself. The time you start loving yourself is the time you can explore, you can evolve, you can know yourself much better. And the point you start knowing yourself is the point you start being confident. लोग ऐसे बहुत आएंगे आपकी जिंदगी में जो आपको हमेशा दबा के रखने की कोशिश करेंगे. But one thing you should know is people judge you in the way or till the point they know themselves. वो खुद को अगर जानते होंगे तो वो आपको जज कर पाएंगे. So spreading love is not easy. Spreading love is only and only possible when you love yourself. So spreading peace is also very important, and spreading peace is only possible if you are in peace with yourself. अगर आप अपने ही अंदर कुछ जंग लड़ रहे हो, then it's not easy to spread peace. We can just say it aloud, we can just throw it. So if you are interested in getting a few tips, again getting a few points and knowing a few points which can help you to spread love, spread peace and love yourself more in a better way, then please keep on watching. So the first point is being happy. Do whatever makes you happy, do whatever you feel like. Like if you have a hobby of dancing or you don't know how to dance, start a new hobby. 2 points combined and made 1 point. Be happy, smile and try something new or do something that you have not done yet. In order to achieve something that you have not achieved yet, you need to do something that you have not done yet. Do anything that makes you happy. It might be like, changing the bed sheets, changing your wallpaper, changing your bed sheets. And you can sense a bit of difference in the world, difference in your room at least. Second point is before sitting to study or before, chilling in your workstation, you need to clean your room, you need to clean your bed, you need to clean your workstation, clean the table. It's very important. If you keep your things organized in the table, then only you can, have a very good mental state to work, mental state to study, or mental state to edit if you are editing a video or anything like that. The next point is do journal. Journaling is that one thing that has helped me a lot, and I can't stop saying about it. If you want, then I can really make a separate video on how to journal, how I journal, where I journal, what are all those things that I write when I journal. A lot of things related to journaling. The next point is reading books. Yes, read a book. Read a book. And when I say reading helps, I really mean it, because I have been a reader all my life. Reading helps, do read. I read, you read, we read, reading helps. That was so weird. It's the best time, and it's the high time you should cut a few people from your life. I know it sounds so scary, but you need a lot of courage to do it, and you should do it, because जो लोग आपके mental health के लिए सही नहीं है उन्हें निकाल के फेंक दो. No one moves on. Let me clarify this point for all of you. No one moves on, but of course you can make yourselves busy somewhere else, and you can divert your mind. And there are two things in this world. After a breakup or after a heartbreak that might be in a friendship or in a relationship, जरूरी नहीं है कि heartbreak सिर्फ और सिर्फ relationships में हो. Friendship में भी breakup होता है, and वो बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द देता है. But yeah, there are two ways people react. One, मेरा इंतकाम देखेगी, which is not good. Revenge. The first point is revenge. People try to take revenge, and the second point is people forgive. Forgiving is not that easy. It's not that easy to forgive someone who has hurt you in a different level. And the second thing is revenge. You can only and only take revenge from those you hate, or those you're so angry on. But one thing I would suggest you to do if you're in such a state of mind or in such a condition is just pray for their happiness. ये pray मत करो कि जो मेरे साथ हुआ है वो उसके साथ भी हो. Please, ये pray करो कि जो उसने मेरे साथ किया है ये कभी उसके साथ ना हो, वरना तुम जो फेस कर रहे हो, तुम्हें जो दर्द हो रहा है, जो पेन हो रहा है, वो उसे भी होगा. And if you have loved someone really hard, you would never ever want that person to cry. So no matter how negative they are, you need to be positive. So pray for their well-being and let them go. The next point is a gratitude journal. The journal that I have just currently started. बहुत ही कम time हुए हैं मुझे gratitude journal लिखते, but it's a very good thing. You need to write a few things you're blessed to have. Like if you love cold coffee and you had cold coffee today, then write, I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful to have cold coffee today. It might sound a very silly thing, but it matters here. आप लिखते जाओगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि we are so blessed that I'm so blessed that I can sit here with a good setup, with a good tripod, with a good camera, and I can shoot this video for you people. You are blessed to have a smartphone and watch me out on this channel, but look at those people who are suffering from COVID. Look at their families. How are they suffering? We should be very, very thankful for having such a great life. We are safe at our home. We can work from home. But look at them. So start a gratitude journal. The next thing is meditate. Of course, we all need to meditate because यहाँ से शांति में रहना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. You can meditate or you can start chants. Like we chant normally. One more important thing that I swear by is writing letters to yourself. I know it sounds weird, but your girl is weird, so we can't help. And writing letters to yourself also helps you in many, many, many ways. Like it helps to clean the cluttered thoughts in my mind. Basically, that's the reason I write letters to myself, because I'm a shyer, I'm a writer, and a lot of ideas, a lot of things, a lot of emotions, a lot of thoughts come to my mind at a time, and they clutter it in a very weird way. So I need a lot of pens and a lot of papers to jot them down and make my brain baby feel a bit relaxed. So I try to meditate, I try to write letters to me frequently. Like I have a complete separate diary for writing letters to me, and I'm like, baby, you need to be there, you need to stay there. And you can also write letters to your future self or your past self. You can also write letters to someone who has hurt you, and that will make you feel better, but don't send them. And after jotting down those things, your heart, your brain feels a bit relaxed and ready to move to the next step. So let's go to the next point. So make sure you feel good. Many people are losing their loved ones, many people are losing their family members, and we are so happy, we are so lucky at this point of time to stay at home, do our work, and have a blessed life. So start feeling loved, start feeling blessed for the things you have already. And yeah, we all want to grow in life, we all want to do, or we all want to reach that particular destination, we all want to reach our goals, but just keep one thing in mind: you matter, your mental health matter, baby, your peace matters. Do anything that gives you peace, do anything that makes you feel good about yourself and others. Listen to good podcasts, listen to good motivational videos, watch my videos, and ऐसे बहुत सारे videos देखो. And to all those people who call a Shire as very boring, I'm sorry, I can't help, baby. If you call Shire, if you call a poet, if you call a writer, that person is so boring and we need to change it. Baby, stop listening to songs. क्योंकि गाने भी तो हम ही लिखते हैं ना बेटा. हाँ, शायर्स ही तो गाने लिखते हैं, राइटर्स ही तो गाने लिखते हैं, and शायर्स are the lyricists. There is no point of you calling us boring people and then listening to our songs. That doesn't make you cool. Triggering someone else does not make you cool, baby. So खुद खुश रहो और सबको खुश रहने दो. Stay happy and help others to feel good about themselves. If you can't do that, shut your mouth and sit at home. I'm not angry or anything like that. It's just that thing that people should hear. लोगों को ये सुनना चाहिए पर कोई बोल नहीं रहा है, इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ. Yes, I'm speaking. Stay at home. Stay indoors as much as possible. Do your work and stay happy, stay blessed. Keep spreading love, keep spreading peace, and do hit the like button to subscribe to our channel. Do comment and tell if you have any other tips for me and for my viewers, and do share it with your friends or do share it with someone who needs to hear this, and we will meet in our next video. So yeah, stay happy, stay blessed, wear 2 masks, double masking करो and घर से बाहर मत निकलो, and we will meet in our next video. तब तक के लिए bye.